y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tamara. Now you guys, it's fall and I'm so happy. I love Christmas. I love winter. I just love the idea of winding down during fall and the decor and everything. And for me personally, I emphasize on just Thanksgiving, harvest, all of that as it relates to fall. That's always my greatest pleasure, just to reflect on everything that has happened throughout the year and just be thankful and grateful, you guys. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of my simple yet inexpensive fall haul decor for this season, you all. So for me personally, because it has a lot to do with just being grateful and harvest and everything, I decided to go with the almost somewhat natural pumpkin color. I wanted to keep everything within a certain budget because I'm not looking to spend too much during the season, so I do very simple fall decor. So this one, it has a little white, I would say, coating, kind of dated pumpkin look, and then I decided to go with one that gives you a more spotted, more older, mature pumpkin look, you guys. So this is what I'm going with, and I wanted to add a little bit of sparkly look to it, and this is more like a acorn looking pumpkin. It's shaped like a pumpkin, but it has the acorn look to it and it sparkles, you guys. So that's one of the things that I loved about this one. I also went for the white snow looking pumpkin. So this has a hint or a tinted yellow in it. So as you can see, it looks white, but it has a hint of tinted yellow. Now I also went with the orange acorn one as well. These two, to be honest, they just seem like they're family, so I just didn't want to go with one and not the other. So I decided to go with these two, and I'm sure that when I put them together, they're going to look very lovely. So that's why I went with these ones, and I also decided to go with a white one. So now you see where I'm going with this. And I do have my fall flag from last year, and I will be reusing that, so I don't need to purchase another fall flag. And that's the whole idea about purchasing decor like these. They're reusable, so you can store them and you can use them from year to year. These will never go anywhere because these are wood. So personally, I'm happy that I got these at a really good price. Some of the decor that I have, I got them when they had a previous sale. So like for instance, some of these flower decor, these were for $1 because they had like a previous sale, so I was able to snatch a good price. So whenever they're having sales, sometimes it can be like previous items, but when you go back to check, you realize that they have the same things again. They may add one or two different colors, or they may add one or two different decor. Like this one has pumpkins on it, so perhaps maybe if you find it without the pumpkin, hey, tell you what, purchase the little pumpkin somewhere else and you can always glue those on, and then you will have your own personal pumpkin fall flower patch, you see. So you can add little hint of your own style to it then, if I may add. So this is really good. So I'm gonna be putting this into my vase. You can literally get these pumpkins outside of fall season, and then you can use them during fall. What you can also do, you can add one or two additional items to it, but you will always have the main decor. You don't always have to repurchase, and you can reuse these things, and it saves money. So my favorite piece, you guys, is this right here. So I really love this piece, and it's going to be around for a long time. And as I said, I didn't bother to overdo the fall decor shopping because I do have pieces that I've had over the years that can still add to these decor, and you don't want to, like I said, you don't want to overdo it with all these fall decorations, because by the time it gets to Christmas, you're taking them down to do Christmas decor. And these, I had these decorations before, so I will be using these for my pillow, my cushion as well. This one, um so you see, this one goes well. So this pumpkin spice season goes well with this.